take a trip.
The geographic cure.
Elizabeth Bishop, welcome to Brazil.
That's the new house Lotta's building us. Can you drink the water here?
She's shy, brilliant, dangerous.
Dangerous.
I'm going back home until you can figure this out.
Mary, this is your home.
Then send her away.
I can't.
Where did you study architecture?
I was born an architect.
It's perfect. What about you, Carlos? What do you want?
I want to be president. I will be president of Brazil.
O que você está pensando em fazer com essa área aí ao lado das pistas, hein? Por que você não transforma isso num parque? Aí sim você vai entrar pra história, como você merece.
Are you drinking whiskey again?
I'm concerned about my daughter living under the same roof as a drunk.
Mary, that's enough.
I'm not leaving you. It's just for a
How
semester.
dare you? After all I've given you. Run, as you always do.
What?
You won the Pulitzer Prize.
You treat me like a sister, and I have never felt more at home in all my life.
Some things don't shatter or break. Some things get stronger.
Where did you learn to speak such good English?
By reading your poems, honey. How else?